Hey guys, welcome back. Oh my god, I have another interesting topic for y'all, which is the negative side effects of taking in hormones and with this long-term use. I've been on hormones for 8 years now, you know, and because believe it or not, a lot of trans people forget to mention the negative side effects. They just focus on the positive and all the transition, but never on the negative. Well, anyhow, this is my experience, by the way, and I'm taking this is what I'm taking. I'm taking finasteride, a testosterone blocker, and estradiol. Anyhow, I noticed over the years, I used to take a spironolactone back in the days, and um, and I stopped taking it because it was giving me some side effects, and because of that, I noticed that my testosterone and estrogen got way too high. You need a testosterone blocker. So if you stop taking your testosterone blocker, that's gonna make your hormones get elevated, and because of that, you're gonna feel extremely depressed with like some serious depression. Like your mood and energy is gonna get shot. I know from experience, and it's pretty bad. It gives you like some really bad clinical depression. Another thing I noticed mentally is that if your estrogen gets way too high, and this happened when I accidentally was overdosing on estrogen because it gave me 2 milligram pills instead of one. So because of that, I went from 3 milligrams to 6 milligrams per day, and then just 1 week that gave me some serious anxiety, like panic attacks, like some serious stuff. I was like freaking out, like, oh my god, what's going on? Then I look at my bottle and I realized, oh my god, I was actually overdosing all this time. But yeah, those are like some serious like the mental stuff. So need to be cautious with that. Another thing is that now the physical, you can tell your estrogen is getting way too high when you experience some pain on your nipples, like they start to hurt, and of course you start to get all these chest pains from the anxiety and panic attacks, and you feel like on edge. That's when your estrogen is getting too high. Another negative side effect of taking hormones is that your sex drive can go all the way down or have no sex drive at all, which is just it sucks, takes the fun out of everything. And trust me, and I used to take spironolactone back then, but I had to stop taking it because it was making me hallucinate, which is crazy. I remember being in the kitchen and I saw a trash bag on the floor, and for some reason I confused that trash bag as my roommate's dog, so I was like seeing stuff. Also, another time I was driving at night and I was seeing people on the sides of the road, and in reality there was no one there. I was like, oh my god. So you have to go off the spironolactone because long-term use of spironolactone can make you hallucinate. It was making me hallucinate for some reason, and also they also made me cut down my dose, but instead they switched me to finasteride, which is it's weaker than spironolactone, but it still it still blocks testosterone, but it's doing better. Another thing about taking spironolactone is that you have to be careful about it because it's a diuretic. So if you're in the heat and you're sweating, that's gonna throw your electrolytes off. So and it holds back potassium, and so your sodium can go extremely off, and your electrolytes, especially if you're after all the sweating being in the heat. I noticed that it's gonna give you some serious heart palpitations. Trust me, it's pretty bad. I could notice my heart was fluttering a lot, fluttering. It was like I was freaking out. I went to the clinic and I got checked out, and they warned me about taking spironolactone, and you have to stay hydrated, because that's what happened. I was in the heat for way too long. So yeah, that's another negative side effect. But yeah, make sure your comments, any negative experiences y'all had with hormones, and yeah, make sure y'all rate, comment, subscribe, guys.